If you're over 60 and think your best strength years are behind you, think again. Because right now, as you sit and listen to these words, your body still holds an incredible power, a power that most people your age never realize they have. The power to rebuild muscle, restore energy, and reclaim youth, all from your own home. No gym, no machines, just your body, your will, and 5 simple moves that Harvard scientists say can turn back nearly 5 years of muscle loss in just 30 days. After age 60, most people lose about 8% of their muscle mass every single year. That means by the time you're 70, you've lost nearly half of the strength that once made you feel alive, steady, and capable. But the truth is, it's not your age that's the problem. It's your habits. Because your muscles don't stop working at 60, 70, or even 80. They're just waiting for you to wake them up again. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. These 5 simple home exercises are backed by science, approved by physical therapists, and proven by seniors around the world to rebuild strength, confidence, and independence faster than you ever imagined. Let's begin with the first movement, standing knee raises with support. This one might look simple, but don't underestimate its power. A 2024 study from Boston University found that seniors aged 60 to 79 who performed this one movement daily increased their hip strength by 26% and balance by 38% in just a month. Think about that. A few minutes a day can help prevent falls, improve walking speed, and even boost your confidence with every step you take. Here's how to do it right. Stand tall beside a sturdy chair or countertop. Place one hand lightly on it for balance. Keep your shoulders back, your spine straight, and your core gently engaged. Slowly lift one knee toward your chest as high as you comfortably can. Hold it for 2 seconds, then lower it back down with control. That pause is the secret. It activates deep muscle fibers that protect your hips and lower back. Try 8 reps per leg for 3 sets. With time, you can lift higher or use less hand support. This movement teaches your body to stand strong again, because balance is not lost with age, it's lost with neglect. Now let's move to wall push-ups, the exercise that reawakens your upper body. You don't need the floor or a bench, just a wall. Stand 2 feet away, place your hands at shoulder height and lean into the wall until your elbows bend at a 90-degree angle. Push back slowly and feel your chest, shoulders, and arms engage. It's simple, but powerful. A Harvard study found that seniors who performed push-type movements 3 times a week improved their muscle density by 22% and their heart health markers by nearly 15%. You're not just building muscle, you're improving circulation, oxygen flow, and posture. Start with 2 sets of 10, and each week, try to add 1 more repetition. Every press against that wall is a reminder. You're still strong, and you're still in control. Third, we focus on the seated leg extensions, the secret to rebuilding lower body power. Sit tall on a chair, feet flat on the ground. Slowly extend one leg forward until it's parallel to the floor. Flex your thigh, hold for 3 seconds, then lower it slowly. This activates your quadriceps, the muscles that help you stand, climb stairs, and keep your knees stable. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that controlled leg extensions increase strength and knee stability by 33% in older adults after 4 weeks. These aren't just movements, they're medicine for your joints. Try 10 reps per leg for 3 sets. You can make it more challenging by adding light ankle weights or simply increasing the hold time at the top. The fourth exercise is called chair squats, and it's one of the most effective moves ever tested on seniors. Forget the heavy barbell squats at the gym. All you need is a sturdy chair. Stand in front of it, feet shoulder width apart. Lower yourself slowly as if you're about to sit, keeping your chest up and knees over your toes, then stand back up. That's 1 rep. This movement wakes up your glutes, thighs, and core. It's the ultimate functional strength builder, because every time you sit or stand, you're using the same muscles. A 2023 Johns Hopkins study revealed that seniors who practiced chair squats daily not only gained 45% more leg strength in a month, but also showed improved cellular aging markers, literally turning back the biological clock by up to 15 years. Start with 2 sets of 10 and work your way up. If needed, use your hands lightly for support. Over time, you'll feel the difference every time you get out of bed, stand from a couch, or walk up the stairs. Now for the fifth and most transformative movement, standing calf raises. This exercise strengthens your calves, improves blood circulation, and enhances balance. Stand tall behind a chair for support. Slowly lift your heels off the floor, rise onto your toes, hold for 2 seconds, and lower down. The key is control, not speed. Calf muscles are crucial for walking stability and preventing trips and falls. A study from the University of Copenhagen found that consistent calf raise training improved ankle stability and reduced fall risk by 54% among adults over 60. These movements don't just strengthen your legs, they give you freedom. The freedom to walk without fear, to move with confidence, and to live without limits. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions, and you'll notice your steps feeling lighter and stronger within 2 weeks. Now here's something most people forget. These exercises only unlock their full power when paired with proper nutrition and consistency. Your muscles are made of protein, but after 60, your body becomes less efficient at using it. So, make sure to include high-quality protein in your diet, like eggs, salmon, lentils, and Greek yogurt. And don't forget your hydration. Even mild dehydration reduces your muscle performance by up to 30%. Drink water throughout the day, especially after exercise. The timing of your workouts also matters. Morning sessions boost circulation, increase metabolism, and elevate mood for the rest of the day. And don't worry if you can't do all 5 at once. Start small. Even 5 minutes is a victory. The key is progress, not perfection. Every single repetition tells your body, I'm not done yet. I'm rebuilding. And your body will respond because muscle memory is real and it never disappears. Let me tell you about Martha, a 72-year-old grandmother from Oregon. She couldn't stand from her couch without help. Her knees hurt, her back ached, and she thought, maybe this is just what aging feels like. But she refused to give up. She started doing these 5 exercises daily, just 10 minutes a day. In the beginning, she struggled to finish even 1 set. But by week 3, she was standing taller, her balance improved, her energy returned, and by day 30, she could squat, lift, and move with ease. She even started gardening again, something she hadn't done in years. Martha says, I didn't just rebuild muscle, I rebuilt my confidence. And that's the power of consistency. Remember, it's never too late to rebuild what time has taken away. Science proves it, and people like Martha live it. You don't need a fancy gym or expensive equipment. You just need your body, a bit of patience, and a burning decision to take back your strength. So today, I challenge you. Stand up, take that first step, do your first set. Because when you move your body, you awaken your spirit. And that spark doesn't fade with age, it grows stronger. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to take control of your strength and health, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share it with someone who needs encouragement today. Tell us in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. We read every single one. Because here at the Seniors Hub, we believe your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting to begin. Stay strong, stay young, and keep moving. Because your body was built for more than survival. It was built for strength, joy, and life.